Now this is the Causton Bluffs Bridge, Savannah, Thunderbolt, Georgia. So how tall is this bridge right now with tide?
It's above 20.
22 to the sailing up across the Savannah
Steer
River,
left,
then
steer left,
21
steer
away.
left, steer left. The current's got you. Steer left a whole bunch more. So it's 26, 30, about 32 feet.
Yeah.
That's right, Captain. You need to pick a side and get there quick. We're coming up on your stern, outbound on a big container ship.
You hear the radio?
Savannah River.
Okay.
There's another speed boat coming up behind us here.
There's a ship in the river talking to a boat saying, "Get out of my way."
It's gonna push you right, and so steer out to the left and crash out and touch the green more. Green can.
Sam Varnage Bridge, formerly known as Causton Bluffs Bridge. Want to learn more about opening drawbridges? Check out our DVDs. Ask Captain Chris.